Okay, got another package from eBay. I'm an eBay freak and Amazon, but sometimes on eBay you can find cheaper prices, but Amazon has the Amazon Prime, so it goes both ways. This is a chain that I ordered from eBay. It's a 530 chain, 120 links O-ring chain, and I pay $35 and free shipping from I think it came from California. This is for my R1 project, and it's a gold chain because the one that the bike has right now, it's a red one, so it looks pretty ugly. But this one is a gold one, and I'm gonna open the package and show you the quality of the chain. And the brand is Max Motorsports Performance Heavy Duty Chain. Well, I've never heard of this, but it's made in China. And it says 530 gold, 120 links. So I'm gonna open it. That's about it. So yeah, basically this is the chain. Not much to it. So it's just a gold O-ring chain. And let's see. Comes with the security lock. It's not the rivet one, so probably gonna have to buy the rivet. Has a rivet in here. And what else? Just that. Yeah, basically this is the chain. I mean, I think it's gonna add a good look to the bike, especially because I'm gonna do a lot of things to it. But I mean, $35. I mean, I'm not expecting something very nice or to last, but it's cheaper than to buy the RK or the JT or some other brands. I mean, I'm not against them, but for the budget that I have, I mean, every dollar counts. Every little money that I save, it counts towards the bike, so I can buy more things for it. And yeah, it's just there's a little bit of grease on it. It's the O-ring, so it's a 530. So yeah, basically this is it. This is the chain. I mean, if you guys want to give it a try, buy it. And just remember, it's not a brand name, but for what you need, for what the chain you need, it will get you to point A to point B. So thanks for watching, and give it a try, and then go from there, and let me know what you guys think.